Okay, here we have a trigonometry type question, which is we have the triangle, the hypotenuse of a side 12 centimeters. Calculate the value of x. All right, here there are two given sides. Okay, we will use Sakatawa, and they are the sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Which one of them will I use? So the given sides here is the hypotenuse and the adjacent, so I will go for the cosine. So cosine x equals opposite equals adjacent, sorry, which is 7 over 12 the hypotenuse. So x equals to cosine inverse 7 over 12. So here's the calculator. So shift cosine 7 over 12, and that's equal to 54.3. So x equals to 54.3 degrees. Okay, let's go for the next question. A regular polygon has interior angle of 174 degrees. Find the number of sides of this polygon. So I will recall the rule quickly. The rule of the interior angles of a polygon, which states that sum of the interior angles of the polygon equals to n minus 2 times 180. Alright, so you have the sum of the interior angles equals to n minus 2 times 180, and the sum of the interior angles will basically be a single angle multiplied by the total number of sides, and here I don't know the total number of sides, and this value it's given in n, so the sum of the interior angles equals to a single angle times the total number of sides, which is n, equals to n minus 2 times 180 here. Here I have made an equation in n, so I need to find n. Here 174 n equals to 180 n minus 360 as I multiply through by 180. Okay, multiply the bracket through by 180. So I will make n the subject of the formula here, so 360 minus 180 n minus 100 equals to 180 n minus 174 n. So 360 equals to 6n. So n is equal to 360 over 6, which is equal to 60. So the polygon has 60 sides. Right, let's go through. Line L has equation y equals 4 minus 5x. Find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to line L and passes through the point 0 and 6. Alright, as we said earlier, whenever I have perpendicular here, that means I will find the gradient and then find the reciprocal of that gradient and change the sign. That's the way of finding the perpendicular gradient of the line. So let's see how that works. Here the gradient from this equation is the coefficient of x here, and the coefficient of x here is -5. And remember, it should be the coefficient of x when y is the subject of the formula, y only. So gradient equals to -5 here, and to find the perpendicular gradient I will use this rule, which is m1 times m2 is equal to -1 here. So m1 here is -5 times m2 is equal to -1. So divide over by -5. This goes out is this, so m2 is equal to 1 over -5, which is equal to 1 over 5. And then I will just substitute the coordinates of the point with y and x there, so I can find the equation here. So say y is equal to mx plus c. This is the general rule for finding the equation of a line. So I have 6 here as the y, and my new gradient is 1 over 5, and x here is 0 plus c. Finding c first, so c equals to, this goes out as any number times 0 give us 0, so c is equal to 6, and my equation will be y is equal to 1 over 5x plus 6. Okay, thank you for watching, and remember, if you have any question, do not hesitate to write that down.